The unique surface of ceramic grill, crucial for both performance and aesthetics, is a direct result of two key elements: the bisque texture and the glaze effect. The bisque texture refers to the surface of the ceramic body after its initial firing, before any glaze application. This foundational texture is not merely cosmetic. It plays a vital role in the grill's performance. Following the bisque firing, the glaze effect takes center stage, transforming the ceramic surface into a visually stunning and functionally enhanced cooking platform. Glazes are glassy coatings applied to the bisque, offering a wide range of aesthetic and practical benefits. The method by which glaze is applied to a ceramic surface also influences the final surface effect. Glaze materials is a critical factor in determining the final appearance and feel of a ceramic piece. It's a complex interplay of chemistry and artistry, where subtle variations in materials can produce dramatic differences in surface effects.